So why is preventative maintenance important for your materials testing equipment within your laboratory? There's several reasons, but two of the most often overlooked but most critical, one being safety. Safety for your workplace. It reduces the risk for accidents and injuries for your operators and your employees. And the other one is often overlooked until it's too late, is the ability to extend the lifespan of your equipment. This allows you to have future upgrades to electronics to further maximize your investment into the future.
So by identifying and addressing potential issues before they become critical, we are able to prolong the lifespan of the machine, optimizing the return on investment. Instron machines are used mainly for applications which require higher precision, and doing maintenance preventive ensures proper calibrations and accuracy of data collected.
It's like when you go to the doctor every year for make a checkup. The maintenance is a checkup of the instrument. If can come in the future some problem, it can prevent it coming this problem.
Keeping your system under a routine maintenance schedule is strongly recommended. It will help you identify problems early, thus minimizing the possibility of bigger problems, ensuring that your system stays at optimal performance, and extending the life cycle of your test system.
So what does a normal preventative maintenance look like for your testing equipment within your laboratory? First, we do a thorough inspection of the equipment to address any issues due to wear or damage of the equipment.
So the first point is to clean, removing debris, dust accumulated inside the machine, checking all connections, electrical and mechanical.
In some instances, oil analysis may be called for, charging of accumulators for servo-hydraulic systems, for example. At the end of our visit, we will also ensure that the system continues to operate as expected.
And also, the preventive maintenance is for our like a point of the instrument. And if the customer call me with the problem, I know exactly the status of the machine and I can help the customer for fix faster the problem.
The risk associated with not being on a regularly scheduled preventative maintenance program can mean you fail to identify problems that can lead to bigger problems and costly repairs.
We'll be more experienced to have unexpected breakdown, which could impact the availability of the machine and a loss of productivity.
So there are several risks if you fail to perform regular routine maintenance, one being around safety. Malfunctioning equipment poses risks to your operators and your employees. The other is increased downtime, which may lead to higher repair costs for your business and also cause you to miss deliverables. Those missed deliverables could impact your reputation within the industry, within your customers, and your key stakeholders.
An interruption to your operation can be expensive, and all these can be avoided by simply scheduling a preventative maintenance call.
We suggest one time every year, but depend what is the normal use of the instrument. If the customer use the instrument 24 hours a day, 7 days by 7, normally make maintenance every 6 months.
And lastly, one of the most critical pieces for your record keeping is a very detailed maintenance report that comes from your service engineer on site. And with any routine preventative maintenance, it's as critical to follow that up with annual system calibration to really ensure the quality of your results for your testing needs.